Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to speed up your audio for your Canva videos. Unfortunately, there is no way to do this directly within Canva. We've got a lot of audio options here, but none of them will allow us to speed up the audio. So what we want to do is go over to any MP3 or WAV audio file editing software. So locally you could use Audacity, but if this is just a one-time thing, head over to 123 apps and you want to click over here and just choose speed up audio, and we can click over here and that'll open the Explorer and we can choose our audio file. And then you'll see here we have a little slider. I've put the sound off for this, but we do have a little slider that'll allow us to adjust the speed of the audio. And once you're done, all you need to do is go select your audio format and then click save, and then click save again. And that'll save to wherever your default downloads are. So then you can just hop back into Canva and you can go right over here to your imported folders, click on audio, and then you can drag and drop your audio file here and put it into your Canva project. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Canva should definitely add this as a feature. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Canva video.